Hey buddy, ready for a walk? All right, let's go. Best buddy ever. Whee, this is so much fun. Look how high it's flying. Come on, Kite, you can do it. Yes, it's flying. Let's go. Whoa, it's flying so high. Look at it go. It's going higher. Whoa. Whoa, not the face, too slow. Hey, give me that. Catch me if you can. Okay, truce. I love you so much. You're my best friend. What a beautiful sunset. Let's go explore. Hi friends, subscribe to AB Flex for more adventures from now. Yay, thanks for watching.